Hey, business owners, I am checking out a tool called Opus Clip, and I wanted to just kind of take you along with me so that we can check this out. This is a tool that will allow you to upload one of your videos, and it will give you clips, like little short snippets of your video, and which is going to make video creation, if this works the way that I think it's going to work, it's going to make video creation so much easier. So this is a sample. This is kind of a test run. I haven't actually signed up for this yet, but I'm really thinking about it. So I'm glad they have this little demo that I can look at. So they have provided the video in this demo, and all I'm going to do is just click on this and let's see what happens. Okay. So, not sure what happened, but let's try dropping in one of my, I don't know if it's going to do anything if I drop in one of my videos. Okay. So, that's interesting. Let's see, our smartest model, get ready for, I'm not sure where the videos went. So it looks like the credits have disappeared, but I don't see any clips. So I'm going to pause this really quickly and just see where the clips are. One moment. Okay, so check this out. Now I put in my video, and my video was not it was the 16:9, not the 9:16. So it was the rectangle, the wide rectangle. And so, but it put it into all these little clips, right? And so all I need to do is just, and it's giving me the captions. All I need to do is figure out which caption I want to use. That is so darn cool. Look at this. Look at how many clips I have available that I can use. And so what I need to do is just kind of go through these and figure out which ones I want to use on social media. But let's say that you have done maybe you've done a video and you've put it in that 9:16 size, which would make it oblong. Then this is going to fit, those kinds of videos are going to fit right into this this scenario. Okay, so let me just play this one. I'm not going to play all these clips, but I will play this one back for you. And this is kind of like using ChatGPT without having to put in any prompts. So the prompts are done for you. All you have to do is put the information into this form. And once you put the information in, as you can see, it's going to give you a detailed buyer persona. And then you can also get a PDF download of your buyer persona so that you can keep it. So if you have, let's say that you have. So that's pretty much it. I mean, that is amazing. I'll play this one real quick. And first, let me just kind of give you some reasons to create a buyer persona. A buyer persona is just a depiction or an image or a description of someone who would be a great fit for your product. So if you have a product that you're selling and you are struggling, maybe you're struggling to get that product in front of the right people, a buyer persona helps you to attract people to your business. And first, let me just kind of, so this is really amazing. I love this tool. From what I can tell, this would be worth every penny. I think it starts at like $15 a month for the starter plan. You could start out with that and just kind of experiment with it, because it gives you the footage. It breaks your footage up, which is such a hassle. Like, I have tried to use different tools, and sometimes it comes out looking crazy. Sometimes it breaks in the wrong places. And so I think this is going to be a game changer for me in terms of making videos, making clips. And then you can also put clips together you can find different memes and things like that. So I'm hoping that I can upload this to maybe a Canva tool or maybe one of the Adobe tools, and I can kind of play around with it. But this really gives me a lot to work with, and I think this is definitely something that I will want to get. If you want to get it, you can certainly sign up for it. I'll put a link below this video so that you can sign up for this as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to continue to play around with this. The thing that you want to do, and you know, I don't even remember where I found my assets. I believe the assets are going to be over in this area, in this little folder area. Maybe not. Let's see, media. Nope, that's not where it is. Subscriptions, social accounts, analytics, calendar. I'm not 100% sure where I found my files, but it's not really the thing that I don't like about it, you know, just, you know, saying the things that I don't like. And, you know, this is a great tool, don't get me wrong. However, it would be great if it would just take you to the area where you can find your files. So let's see, okay, so here's home. Here's my analytics. I don't have any analytics because I just kind of tried it out. Well, that's not it. Okay. Okay, so here are the videos that I had right here. Log into long to shorts. Okay. Oh, this is nuts. Let's see. Here's me. Create a team, captions, usage. Okay, I think I looked here. Credits. Okay, so credit usage history is where you actually find your clips. So here are all the clips that I have put together today, just kind of trying it out. And then when I clicked on this, that is when it took me to the actual clips that it put together for me. So again, I would definitely try this out. It is, in my opinion, a really good tool to help you you know, just kind of parcel out, like really repurpose your long form videos and make them into short form videos. That's what I think this is going to be an amazing tool for. And I think it's definitely worth, I believe the pricing is like $15.99 or $15 per month. So I will put a link below. You can check it out, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.